Have you ever wondered what it would be like to own something like PayPal early on? Well, you may have a second chance at making that type of investment with this stock right here. This is stock ticker symbol TSNP, also known as Tesoro, and possibly in the future known as HUMBL, HUMBL, through a merger. But anyways, we're gonna dig into that right now. So this company caught my eye as well as many others in the OTC community after running up a total of 258% in one single trading day. After seeing those type of numbers, it's only right that I was actually intrigued to look into this company and just find out why exactly it may have ran so much, and I was astonished at what I have found, guys. As you can see right here, this simply states that HUMBL under TSNP symbol has the potential to not only become the next Venmo or Zelle, but possibly the next PayPal. And after this, my interest and original investment in this company skyrocketed. But not only did I consider increasing in position, so did many other investors, and as you can see here, one investor in particular ended up spending in excess of $600,000, which raised a lot of eyebrows. So what exactly does this company envision for their future? Well, you can read it here yourself. We didn't build HUMBL for the 450 million digital customers using Apple Pay, but for the 7 billion people for whom money has totally a different set of global pathways, access points, and cost structures. So realistically, this company is trying to target the world. But with that being said, I do believe this is possible with their groundwork that they have already laid down, as well as their management team. As young as this company already is, it's being mentioned by huge media companies such as Forbes and MarketWatch, of which actually placed it in an article alongside NKLA Nikola and Fisker FSK, which are two companies that are trading above $10. Nikola being around $26 and FSK I think is around $10. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's around that mark. This is a very, very huge deal, guys. Not many penny stock companies get mentioned along the likes of larger companies like this as future investments. Unless that is, of course, the company has a probability of more than likely succeeding. And with guys and gals like Rob Ayers on your team, the probability of you succeeding is quite possible. Rob brings 30 years of experience in financial technology, credit cards, and banking to HUMBL. Rob began his career at American Express, where he became Global Director of Sales and Marketing, guys. Rob then moved to MoneyGram, where he served as an executive and advisory board member. Rob has consulted with a variety of fintech startups on their path to getting acquired or going public. Having people with this type of experience on your team gives you a huge upside potential, and as you can see here, HUMBL is already taking advantage of that, as they are trying to partner with Digital India Payments out in India in order to expand their reach to the India market. India is a very, very huge country, guys. India has a very large population, and I'm pretty sure India is not the only country HUMBL is looking to expand through. So with that being said, this is definitely a company to keep your eyes on. The company's advertising is also going very well, guys. As you can see here, this banner simply says, "It's your money, keep more of it." This one hits hard, guys. These words are some very strong words, especially in these times. During the pandemic, people are trying to hold on to as much money as possible. And when you hear a company come at you like this, you're just more enticed to look into that company. The company is also doing a very great job at keeping the general public and investors in the loop when it comes to news that's going on with the company. And as you can see here, the CEO has locked up over 10 million worth of stock purchased directly out of the market. And prior to that, retires over 550 million common shares. And when it comes to the share structure, we all know that when the scarcity of something increases, that means the perceived value of it is soon to follow. With that in mind, let's take a look at the chart. So when looking at the one-day chart, there's not very much to look at, but when you look towards the end of the day on the one-day chart, you can see the very sharp dip followed by the very sharp uptick. And with that being said, you can kind of already tell that the uptrend is going to continue into Monday. So now let's go on to the 5-day and 1 month chart. When looking at the 5-day chart, you don't really see much. It's just a lot of stability, but with OTC stocks like this, stability is a very good thing, obviously. So let's slide on to the 1 month chart. The 1 month chart pretty much shows where this started to where it is now, which is awesome. Where this started was a very, very low level, and it kind of stair-stepped its way upward, and it's still in the middle of stair-stepping its way forward. And I believe the stair steps are many more to come. So with that being said, on Monday, this is definitely a stock to have on your watch list. So other than that, one thing that I would like to leave with you guys is that HUMBL is going to be holding an investors call on December 9th, 2020 at 5 p.m. Eastern time. If you would like to participate in this, you would just have to go to their website and fill out your information. And after that, they should send you an email contacting you and letting you know what steps that they are going to be taking forward from there. I'm not too sure if this is very space oriented. So if you would like to participate, it's better to just get in now and like have your name on the list now. But anyways, guys, other than that, TSNP is a definite stock that you're going to want to look into. I would definitely recommend looking into this stock. As always, these are just my opinions. Do your own research. I'm not telling you what to do, but I really think this stock has a lot of potential. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.